Hi, I'm Lisa Eifert and I'm with Prosperity Home Mortgage.
And Lisa, give us some information about what first-time home buyers need to know.
One of the first things they need to know is they need to speak to a lender before they get into a car and start looking at homes. It can be very disappointing if they think they can qualify for much more than they actually can. So if they fall in love with a home for $200,000, but yet they only qualify for $150,000, it's going to be a disappointment for them.
Great. Lisa, how do you find a lender?
Well, typically the real estate agent you're working with already has a lender, but you can go online, you can shop around, you can ask your bank. There's several ways to obtain a lender, but of course I want you to call me.
Good. And what kind of, most of the time when first home buyers are looking for lending, they think that there's only a few types of packages like FHA, conventional, maybe VA. Can you kind of explain the differences?
Well, there's actually an array of products that customers can go with. This is why you need to speak to your lender. Your lender should be educated enough to assist you in the product that's going to best suit you. There's 100% financing products, there's down payment assistance products, there's also 3% down, on up to 20% down. So that's why it's best to talk to your lender first to find out exactly where you stand.
And what do you require from somebody? What kind of paperwork are you looking for?
Well, typically when you do a pre-approval, the lender requests items such as 2 years employment, 2 years residence history, bank statements for the most recent 2 months. Once they get these, they can make a qualified decision with speaking with you as well. You also have to have your credit report pulled, which is one of the first very important things that you have to do.
Okay. So Lisa, what do you think that agents and the buyers are looking for when a first-time home buyer is coming to look at their house and they want to put an offer in on it?
Well, they're going to want to make sure that the buyer they're presenting an offer for is absolutely pre-approved. It's very important. The seller wants to know that that buyer has already met with a lender or spoken with a lender and that they are pre-approved. It's very difficult to try to submit an offer in today's market without one.
Very good. Any other questions or comments which you would like to make?
I just think it's very important to know the real estate professional you're working with as well. You need to know that they are seasoned and they know what they are doing. Real estate contracts are bounded contracts. It's very, very important you are protected.
Well, thank you, Lisa. I appreciate it.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.